It all begins with a star ingredient, the daikon radish, also called labanos in the Philippines or mu in Korea. Long, crispy, and slightly peppery, daikon gives that satisfying crunch that defines every good pickle. When choosing one, look for smooth skin, a tight, crisp texture, and a clean scent, no soft spots or cracks. We are in the city of Tarlac. It is about a 2-hour drive from Manila. Today, we're stepping inside the factory to see exactly how handmade pickled radish is made, from farm-fresh roots to the jars you see on the shelves. Let's go see.
Tara!
The production area is considered a clean room, and the company maintains good manufacturing processes. After the delivered produce is weighed and inspected, they are set up for processing. Next comes washing and cutting, a careful process done by hand. Each radish is peeled, then sliced into thin rounds. At Pik-a-Pikel, they believe hand cutting keeps the texture crisp and natural. Welcome to Pik-a-Pikel, where every jar of pickled radish is crafted by hand with care, tradition, and just the right amount of crunch. The pickled radish is a new arrival addition to the tasty list of products made in the Philippines by Sangkutsa Foods.
Hi, I'm Egia. I'm the production manager here at Sangkutsa Food Products Incorporated. So, to maintain the food safety, firstly, dapat lahat ng mga staff natin is nag-undergo ng GMP or checking of good manufacturing practice, which is dapat yung mga staff is personally naligo, no long nails, then the uniform should be freshly cleaned, hindi yung naulit from yesterday. Then, kailangan pagpasok dito sa production, maghugas ng kamay, and magsuot ng gloves. And always sanitize prior proceeding to the next step.
The pickled radish jar also contains other vegetables like carrots, peppers, cilantro, and spring onions. They undergo washing, peeling, and cutting manually. There are designated cuts for each vegetable. The radishes are thinly sliced circularly. The carrots are cut in the same way as the radish, thinly sliced and circularly.
Siyempre gusto namin makilala yung pickles ng Pilipino sa buong mundo. Yun yung goal talaga namin na makarating sa buong mundo yung pickles na ginagawa na gawang Pinoy. Yun yung gusto namin mangyari. Ayan.
The spring onions and cilantro are thin pieces done by hand. The bell peppers are julienne cut at approximate uniform sizes.
I'm Jay Pedro. I'm the Managing Director for Sales and Marketing sa Sangkot sa Food Products Incorporated. So, nag-start yung company actually, yung history ng company. Way back 2011, nag-start yung company kasi that time, si Tony used to buy pickled mangoes, burong mangga dun sa Binondo, sa Ongpin. Kaso may times na pag pumupunta siya, hindi available yung pickled mango. That time dun lang siya nakakabili. Wala nang hindi na, sa ibang lugar hindi niya na mahanap yung pickled mango. So napaisip siya na bakit hindi na lang siya na lang gumawa ng pickled mango. So, since 2011 to 2013, nag-R&D siya. Wala siyang background kasi si Tony is mechanical engineer. Pickled mango muna. Then, after namin naging successful yung product, tsaka kami unti-unti nagpapasok ng mga iba-ibang product, kaya ng mango salsa. Ngayon, yung garlic, paka yung radish.
The radish, being the main ingredient, will undergo the salting process. After that, the salt is washed off twice. Then, the radish goes to a spin dryer to remove the water. Pickled radish is enjoyed in many cuisines of different places. The tangy crunch cuts through the heaviness and spice. In Filipino cuisine, pickled radish isn't as common as in Korean or Japanese food, but there are similar pickled side dishes that play the same role, cutting through rich or fatty foods with acidity and crunch, like pickled green papaya. Pickled radish is served as a side for adobo, lechon kawali, or other fried dishes to cleanse the palate. Packing the jars. Once the radish is cut and dried, it's time for packing, the most satisfying part. By hand, the team fills each sterilized glass jar. The 230-gram jar at this stage contains 3 pieces of carrots, 1 gram of spring onions, 1 gram of cilantro, and then packed full with the radishes by weight. Then, brine is poured in, covering every slice completely. Now for the flavor magic, the brine. Every batch starts with a simple base of vinegar, sugar, salt, and filtered water. Each jar is sealed tight, locking in freshness and flavor. Each jar goes through vacuum capping. It is blown with compressed air to blow away excess moisture. All the jars get wiped down. and the jars are now ready for boxing, waiting for the perfect pickle. The jars rest in a cool, dark room for at least 3 days. This is the 3-day staging. During this time, the vinegar gently softens the radish and the flavors blend, sweet, tangy, and just a little salty. This natural curing process gives each pickle its bright color and signature crunch. The jars go through visual inspection and quality checks. If the quality checks are acceptable, then the batch goes to labeling and packaging. No matter where it goes, one thing stays the same: that joyful crunch that brightens every meal. From humble roots to golden jars, every step at Pik-a-Pikel celebrates craftsmanship and care. So the next time you open a jar and hear that gentle pop, remember, behind that sound is a team of hands, hearts, and smiles that make every pickle possible. Pik-a-Pikel, handmade goodness, crunch by crunch. If you loved this story, hit like and subscribe for more untold stories from the heart of the Philippines. Know someone with a story like this? Tell us in the comments. Let us know what you would like to see.
Would na to be number 1 here in the Philippines. Then, sa buong mundo, mas makilala pa. Kasi isa ngayon, wala pa kami sa Europe. Target talaga namin Europe, sa ibang bansa, Japan, Korea. Yun ang mga target market namin. Sana mapasok namin within the next 5 to 10 years.
Sound check. Mic check. Maganda ako, charot.